students, today we are going to perform a new experimental transformer. The object is our open circuit and short circuit test. So we have displayed the experimental panel for performing this open circuit and short circuit test. The circuit diagram is given here. This diagram is for the open circuit test. In this diagram we are seeing that this is the wattmeter, ammeter, voltmeter connected on the primary side, and this secondary winding is open. So this is diagram which suitable for performing the open circuit test. The short circuit test, the diagram are same, meters are same, but difference is there. This secondary winding are shorted. So we have to perform open circuit and short circuit test. Now question is there, okay, what is the need for performing these two tests? Basically these two tests are performed on the transformer for finding the value of losses. This open circuit test measures iron loss and short circuit test measures copper loss. The rating of transformer, we are using 1 kV transformer and 220/110 is the primary voltage, secondary voltage. The some points you have to keep in your mind when you perform this open circuit and short circuit test. In this test, we consider low voltage side. Low voltage side means this secondary winding is low voltage, this side acts as a primary, means supply is given to the 110 side and this high voltage side is kept open. That's why we call it's the open circuit test. Second point, this test is performed at the rated voltage. Rated voltage means how much the value of second low voltage side, 110. So 110 is the rated voltage. So these 4 points you will keep in mind when you perform the OC test. The short circuit test is just opposite process of the OC test, means you will consider the high voltage side, means all the equipments will connect high voltage side and the low voltage side is shorted. In the short circuit test, you know the current is flowing very high. So this test performed at the rated current. The rated current you will calculate by the expressions I is equal to P upon P. The power rating 1 kV means 1000 divided by 220. So the 4.5 amperes are rated current. So this test performed rated voltage and this short circuit is performed at the rated current. So now go on the experimental part, the circuit diagram. First of all, we will try to perform connect the circuit and open circuit test. So ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeters. So we are using, this is the wattmeter. Wattmeter have terminals M, L, C, and these are the V terminals. And this is the single phase transformer. The transformer terminals are given on this panel. So this is the 220 side, this is the 110 side. So we are considering the low voltage side for perform the OC test. As per this diagram, first of all M and C are connected through a wire. So we take a wire in this wattmeter, M and C. M and C connected through wire, and this M wire, it is going to this supply auto transformer. This is an auto transformer and these are the auto transfer terminals. So it is connected to the auto transformer. Second, this L terminals. L means load terminals. Where it is going, it is connected to the winding. So this wire is connected to the winding, and this V terminals of wattmeters connect to the winding, and second is going to the auto transformer. So we are using this V terminals. The V terminals we are rating 150 volt. So this wire is connected to the windings and second is connected to the supply terminals. This voltmeters connect across parallel for measuring the supply voltage. So this voltmeter connect in parallel, and this low high voltage side is kept open, means this side is kept open. So this is the circuit diagram for performing this open circuit test, and only one reading we have to keep at rated voltage. For taking the rated voltage, the auto transformer you have to keep at minimum positions and gradually increase the voltage up to 110 volts. So we switch on MCB on. Yes, MCB on, and increase the auto transformer knob up to rated voltage. 110. This is the ammeter connecting series. It will show the no load current. Yes, 73, 96, 100. Wattmeter is also showing some power. Yes, it's the rated value. So we obtain the supply voltage 110 and 0.3 ampere. It is the no load current I0, and this wattmeter indicates the no load input power. The reading of this wattmeter is equal to the iron loss. So it is showing how much? 8, and the multiplying factor is 2. So actual value is 16. So the readings are, in the open circuit test, V1 is equal to 110, I0 primary current is the 0.03, and wattmeter reading is 16 watt. So 16 watt is showing the value of iron loss in the case of transformer. So this part is completed. Now go on the another test, short circuit test. The short circuit test, first of all, reduce the voltage at 0, switch off, and it is just opposite. Seeing that means this side, this supply is given to the high voltage side and the low voltage side is shorted. So just to change the terminals, see that we are considering the low voltage and OC test, but in the short circuit test, these terminals are connected here, high voltage side, and this low voltage side is shorted. So we take a wire and connect this low voltage side is shorted like through a wire. It is short circuit conditions. And the one important thing in the short circuit test is perform rated current. The rated current you may calculate already 4.5 ampere. So with the switch on and apply very reduced voltage and see the deflections of ammeter. The current should not exceed by 4.5 ampere. It's a rated current. Yes, this is the 4. Yes, it is the 4. It's a rated current. At this rated current, the voltage how much? 17 volt, and the power is 46, 45, 50. Yes, power is 50. So the power 50 means 100, means short circuit voltage V1 is equal to 17 volt, current, short circuit current, ISC is the 4.5 ampere, and power is the 100 watts. So this 100 watt is showing the value of copper loss in case of transformer. So this open circuit test, we determine the value of iron loss, and short circuit test determine the value of copper loss. With the use of these parameters, you may calculate the equivalent circuit of transformer, as well as you may calculate the efficiency. So this test is completed, and at last reduce the voltage and switch off. Thank you.